Hello, scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today, finally, a week later, possibly longer when I post this. I am back to announce the winners to my 2000 Subbies giveaway, and I'm so excited. I decided to make it easy on myself, and I just used random.org. I had 46 comments, and so I just typed the number 46 into random.org and I picked out the winners. So first up, I will tell you who won the prize giveaway from me personally. So that is all of these fun goodies right here. So that winner is, hold on, I've got my winner tally under here. Winner number 1 is EAM Taytano. I think her name is Elizabeth, but she goes, that's her screen name. So you won my little prize pack here. If you want to go ahead and message me either on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, I believe you're a follower of me over there. So just go ahead and contact me through Messenger one way or another, or you could send me an email. My email address is cameramegan@gmail.com. So, Elizabeth, you're the first winner. Congratulations. Okay, then the second winner is these fun pick-me-up goodies. And that person is, drum roll, I'm so bad at drum rolls, we're just not even going to talk about it, is Crystal Barrett. Yay! So go ahead, Crystal, and send me a message, and I will get your address, and I can send this stuff to you. Then the Spiegel Mom Scraps winner is Salma Barakat. I hope I pronounced your name right. I'm so sorry if I didn't. So I am going to actually go ahead and write down who belongs where so I don't get this wrong. Oops. And now I'm spelling it wrong again. Okay, so Salma Barakat. And then the Make Paper Art winner, the $10 gift card to Make Paper Art, is Angela Pruitt. Angela, I'm super excited for you to get that. Okay, then we have winner number 5 is Brianna Lepper. So Brianna, I'm on Spiegel Mom Scraps design team with her, and she's so much fun. So I'm excited for her to get this gift card to Beth, my really good friend Beth's store. But this belongs to you, Brianna. Yay, I'm so excited. And then Cindy Thick, you are going to be getting the Dreaming of Sketches Everyday Scrapbooking Sketches sketchbook from Heather Little. So I will write your name down, Cindy Thick. And then, let's see, Click Kit is going to be, okay, sorry, that's my bad drum roll. Kari Thompson. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, and then I actually have a surprise giveaway. I also was able to get a coupon code from Tuesday, who is Cheeky Studios, and she's the owner of Cheeky Studio. And so the winner of Cheeky Studio, I'm going to write this down, is going to be, I think it's Carolina de Alexandria. So I'm just going to write Anna here. So those are all the winners. If I called out your name, go ahead and email me. I will put up here my email address, or you can contact me through Facebook or Instagram, and just say, hey, what do I need to do to get my code or whatever, and I'll get you in touch with the right person so we can get you your codes and your credits, and you guys can go shopping. I'm so excited for you. And then the two ladies that actually won physical products, go ahead and email me your addresses, and I will get your prize packs out to you hopefully by this weekend. I do work in the evenings, so I should be able to get your prize packages out to you almost immediately after you give me your addresses. So hopefully I'm going to be posting this tomorrow, which is Tuesday, I think. So make sure to contact me, and congratulations to the winners. I'm so thankful for all of you amazing subscribers. Sorry, it's late at night and I'm losing my thoughts, so I probably should go to bed. But I did want to make sure that I got this up and going so that I can get these prizes out to you ladies. Thank you so much for following me, and yeah, I'm really thankful for you. That's like the 100th time I've said that. But I really am. Congratulations to everybody. I hope you guys are having a great scrappy week. Bye.